Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tushar, I'd like to know about the goals which you have decided for yourself while pursuing your CAS activities.
Ma'am, I had decided to become an overall personality, to improve my personality as a whole by obviously targeting service, creativity, and action. I had tried to involve myself in new challenges, try to face new challenges so that I could be more evolved as a person, as a human being. I focused a lot on service because I think that by helping others we can help ourselves more and we can get to know ourselves better.
Did you reach them?
Yes, ma'am, I have been going to NGOs which are for blind and for underprivileged, where I have been going and teaching them, and yes, I have been able to teach them.
Did you have to make some changes in your goals while you were pursuing your CAS activities?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I focused a lot on tennis while I for my action, but then I realized that I am my a lot of time in the evening goes for tennis. So then I had to change my main goal from tennis to swimming. And swimming, I have learned that swimming regenerates and it gives me more energy for my studies as well. So I had to change my goal from tennis to swimming in between.
Have you completed your learning outcomes?
Yes, ma'am. I can assure you that I've completed my learning outcomes as I have been a part of many different activities which have given me very different outcomes, which has obviously helped me in completing the outcome.
What are the evidences?
Ma'am, I obviously we have pictures as evidences, and then I have the certificates as well from the NGOs that I work for. I have 4 certificates from 4 different NGOs, which shows that I have been actively taking part in the NGOs, and I've also got certificates for tennis, which shows that I have taken part in tennis tournaments as well.
What difficulties did you face while implementing your CAS program?
Now, I think time management is a very key role while doing CAS because we have to we have at 11th and 12th and we have to study for boards as well, and then we have CAS. So CAS we have to be very time we have to be very time efficient in doing a CAS activities because we have to play tennis, we have to do swimming, then we have creativity as well where we take part in debates and everything. So I think time management is an issue with which we have to work on.
So how you have responded to this challenge?
Ma'am, by making timetable, it made it easier for me somehow because I never followed the concept of following a timetable. But after making a timetable, I was able to allocate time better, and I was I planned my days well.
Was there a balance between your CAS activities?
Yes, ma'am. I think that a balance is required because if you keep on doing a lot of action, then you stop doing your service part. So there has to be balance because that keeps you going and that keeps your interests on. So yes, there is a balance, and also not in the CAS activities, but also in between CAS and the social life and the academic life.
What did you learn from your CAS experience? I am talking about the whole CAS experience of 2 years.
Ma'am, I have learned to teach, I have learned to write a book, I have learned to take part in a debate, I have learned to speak well, I have learned to play tennis, to play piano, to play swimming, to participate in competitions, to do a lot of things. So I think I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot in different areas, and I think CAS has done really good. It has been good for me.
What you will use in your future activities, what you have learned during your CAS and you want to use them in your future activities. Can you explain?
Ma'am, I have a sport which I'll play for my life now that I know of, which is tennis. And then I will obviously would want to plant more trees and also participate in NGOs because I've realized that whenever I please go to an NGO, I find myself there. So I find a person who's completely different from what I am in reality, and I can interact with children from the NGOs, and I can relate myself to it, and I can come down to their level as well, and I can teach them, I can have fun with them, I can teach them computers or anything. And I like teaching them because I know that I'm giving them hope for their life.
How did you really explain your CAS experience in 1 or 2 words? Can you explain your CAS experience in 1 or 2 words?
No, ma'am, I don't think I would be able to, because it has taught me a lot, and to comprise it in one word would be very difficult for me. So I think that it was a new experience. It was a beautiful one, and it is an experience which has changed my life. If you could summarize it in 1 month, you would do it.
How helpful was my support to you, Tushar?
Ma'am, you have been vital in the whole activity. I think you were a motivator for us to go and talk to new NGOs and join them and teach them, because we saw you doing it. So I personally related I thought that I should be like you, and I should go and teach as much and as many students as I can, and help them out with their problems and their uh, social life. So I got my admiration from you. So I think you have been a big part in creating an idol of whom we can follow.
Oh, thank you for this compliment. Is there anything that surprised you?
Ma'am, yes. The way when I went to the blind school, and I saw students learning math, or how they're trying to communicate, or how do they even learn the languages and their language rooms and all. It was very surprising, to see that there still can be education even without even eyes. So they were very good with it, and it's a whole complete different system, like Braille and all. It was tough for me to get how they can learn so much. So it was surprising.
To what extent have you fulfilled your learning outcomes?
Ma'am, I think I have fulfilled my learning outcome. I have fulfilled every single learning outcome, as I believe that the activities that I have done have made me grow in different angles and different aspects, and which has helped me in fulfilling these outcomes, like taking up new challenges, like even handling computer. I'm not very good with computers, so I cannot make my own site and add data to it and everything. But I have been able to do that. So I think that is an achievement for me, to because I have taken part in new things. And yes, ma'am, in other aspects, like I have learned piano. It was a new thing, because I never thought that I'd be able to play an instrument, but Ivy has given me the chance to learn more about myself.
Will you stand by the values which you have learned by pursuing your CAS program?
Ma'am, definitely, because as I told you, it has made me a new person, and I don't want to lose that person. So I think I don't think I'm sure that I will always keep the whole experience in mind, and it has become a part of my personality. So I wouldn't want to let it go.
Thank you, Disha. Thank you so
ma'am.
much.